And again everyone, see on the top of your left side top, However, replica of Jaipur, Rajasthan. From here you can enjoy 60 to 70% view of the Ramoji Homestay. I am movies of Dream, Wakeable, there's no also here. And again left side, Palm Street of Kerala. In the movies it can be used as school or college entrances. And again left side, White Brown Garden. This is called Charisma Garden. It has one speciality. According to the customs of the heroine, the flower will be decorated inside the garden. For example, red saree, red flower, yellow saree, yellow flower. For that, the director needs to give prior information to the Sangrila department of Ramoji Film City, 3 to 6 months prior. And again everyone, left side, blue color vehicles. These are the soundproof mobile generator of Ramoji Film City. It is used for outdoor shooting purposes for uninterrupted power supply. And again left side, equipment departments. All the necessary equipments for shooting has been taken from this department. And again everyone, front side, see on your front side, jug fountain. It is a removable fountain. Chris Tree bomb blasting was also here. The jug was replaced by Chris statue and bomb blasting was also here. It has been built based on the Roman architecture. Again everyone, right side, see on your right side, Chandramukhi Lakalaka building. Sarkar Raj movie, Surya Bansal movie, Amitabh Bachchan ji Haveli. It is the Minama Temple of Chennai Express movie. Godless Temple of Ramoji Film City. We call it Godless Temple because the God comes with a lifted Devika Parikon and climb up into 300 steps, right? That scene was out here. But here you can find only 30 to 50 steps, not 300. On your left side again, if golden color paints, then it becomes Golden Temple of Amritsar. White color paints, then it becomes Gurudwara.
फोटो भेजेंगे अभी आवाज में नहीं आ
So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the South Indian location of Ramoji Film City.
ये देखो हमारा फ्रेंड ना वीडियो बना रहा है, वही वीडियो भेजेंगे, ठीक है?
Have you all watched Rabandi Banati story movie? There is one song, right? Hole Hole Hazai Pyar. That song was on here. And again, that's a brown color cat. That's a brown color cat. This is the Buland Darwaza of Fatehpur Sikri, brown color cat. So do you want to know how strong this door is? 2-3 people can easily push it down. Again, left side, Taj Mahal, symbol of love. If little bit green color pencil, it becomes Masjid. And again, left side, Gateway of India. Again everyone, see on your both sides, these are the North Indian shopping complexes of Ramoji Film City. It has been locked down for 365 days, but opens only during shooting time. Again, see on your front left side, this is the ladies central chair. It has 2 elevations. Once women get inside this chair, she won't come out easily. So any idea? No? Because inside there is a beauty parlor. Left side, economy hotel certificate. Again, ladies and gentlemen, see on your left side, village location of Ramoji Film City. The director takes in only from the front side, so everyone guess it. See? Once you open the door, you'll go directly to jungle. Nothing is there. And all these houses are made up of POP, plaster of Paris. And during shooting time, the director put red soil on this road to look like a real village location. Ladies and gentlemen, on the right side, these are the corporate offices of Ramoji Film City. 100% original building design. cream color buildings, headquarters of Ramoji Film City. Others are ETV Bharat, Usakirat Movies Private Limited, and Inadu Building. ETV Bharat is circulated in 28 states with 13 languages including English. So if you want to watch live broadcasting news, then you can download the digital app on your phone and you can see it. So ladies and gentlemen, I would like to give some general information about our Ramoji Film City. Our chairman name is Ramoji Rao Garu, and this name was purchased in the year 1991, and construction was started in the year 1992. And in 1996, first Telugu movie Ma Nanaku Pelli, and first Hindi movie Varenga Chotelya, and first English movie Nightfall and Crocodile Part 2. And in 2008, Ramoji Film City has been awarded as the world's largest film studio complex, holding 1,666 acres of land, including 47 sound stages. And blockbuster Bahubali movie, 85% of that movie has been shot in this Ramoji Film City. It took around 600 days to complete the movie. So everyone, after your tour is completed, you'll drop back again in the Eureka area, your tour starting point. And in Eureka, we have two main shows. One is the Wild West Show, another is the Spirit of Ramoji Show. Wild West Show last timing 4:45, and Spirit of Ramoji Show last timing 4 p.m. Eureka area. And at 7:30, we have special carnival parade. You can enjoy them also. So ladies and gentlemen, have you aware about the ETV cash program? ETV cash program has been sold inside district study tour. So ladies and gentlemen, have you ever been in jail before? Central jail? No? But today I'm going to take you to the central jail.
मूवी वाला
So
सेंटर
everyone, welcome to the central jail without any crimes. But don't worry, I'm going to take you out with me few seconds. See on your right side, these are the interrogation scene, final judgment scene and hanging scenes. During shooting time, all the statues were replaced by the real artists. And ladies and gentlemen, on your right side, Terena Mental Hospital. And again, left side, Drisham 2 Police Station. Upcoming Pravas movie Sheller was also shot in this location. And again, everyone, on your left side, see on your left side, railway station. Chennai Express song, Lungi Dance, that song was shot here. It has two elevations. One is the city railway station and another is the village railway station. And again, ladies and gentlemen, on your right side, Sahas, Asia's finest adventure land. Here, 5 games are complimentary for adults and 4 games are complimentary for children. You can enjoy bungee injection, archery, shooting, long course, net course, paintball and other interesting games. You'll get dropping point after this tour is over. So ladies and gentlemen, you can see on your both sides. These are the big sitting floor of Ramoji Film City. In our Ramoji Film City, we have 3 AC and 7 non-AC big sitting floor. It is used for indoor shooting purposes. So everyone, have you all watched Pushpa movie? Bahubali Part 1, Part 2? Pushpa movie theme song Oh Andawa. That song was on inside this big shooting floor. And also Bahubali Part 1 waterfall scene. That scene was also shot inside this big shooting floor. Other movies are Robo, Rebel, KGF 1, 2. And firstly, outside those movies were shot inside this big floor. So do you want to know how movie sets are made inside this big shooting floor? That's right. Yeah, I'm gonna take you to the real mythological set, Bhagavatam. Bhagavatam is the example of this big shooting floor. So everyone, this is your first dropping point, and for continuation of your tour, you'll get another bus from the railway station. Railway station is opposite to this building, and from there you'll go to Bahubali, and then from Bahubali to Sahas. So thank you everyone.